Today we're looking at Anne's portfolio, and we've decided to invest in a couple of UK based insurance companies. We've done our research and we've come up with two companies. One is Aviva and the other is Legal and General. We've got them in our watch box under insurance companies, so we're now going to make the investment. So Anne is doing the investment as a Sarah account. I'll just run through with her what she's got to do. So tap on Aviva and tap on buy, and there's number of shares. Change that to value. So just on the arrow there, so change the value, and we're going to invest £537 in each company. So type in £537. So tap on that, then type in 537, and that equates to 194.37 shares. So tap outside the box to get rid of the numbers, and go down to the bottom where it says review order, and it says here the order type is a market buy. It's a market buy because the time is now about 8 o'clock on the London, just checking the time, yeah, it's 8:05. It's on a Monday evening, and the London Stock Exchange is closed, and it'll open again tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock AM. So the order will be placed then at the market price, but I don't think the price will vary much at the time of opening. So we're going to go for a market buy, so send buy order, and Anne has sent the buy order. Now we're going to look at Legal and General. So go back and to Legal and General. It's the top arrow. Anne isn't quite used to using this yet. Now we're going back to our watch list where we've got Legal and General. So she taps on that, and we go through the same process again. We go for a buy, and we're going for the value, which is already in place, and we type in £537. As I said, we've done our research, and I've looked at what brokers' sentiments are or recommendations are, and most brokers are recommending as a buy or a hold on both of these shares, plus the fact they're both down about 50% on a 52-week high, and I can't see any reason why these two solid UK-based insurance companies are not going to bounce back. So nothing's guaranteed in life, but I think we should be in for a nice 50% profit. So we're now going to go for a buy. So tap outside in the white to get rid of the numbers, and we go to review order, and it says here market buy, as I previously explained. That's because the stock exchange is closed, open again tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, and the shares will be purchased at the market price at the time of opening or the time the shares are bought. I don't think they're going to vary much, and we go to send buy order. So we've purchased the shares in Legal and General. Now, once the shares have been purchased, we're going to put a stop loss on. You can't do this until you actually own the shares, which we'll show you in another video, but we'll put a stop loss on, so if the shares fall below 30% the price we paid at the moment, they'll automatically be sold. So we know the maximum loss we can make is 30%, but I'm very confident that's not going to happen, and we're looking for in the up and coming months the shares to rise in price, and once we're out of the coronavirus, they'll definitely bounce back to what they were 52 weeks ago, or the 52-week high, and we might skim off a bit of profit, or we might sell them and take a full profit, but we'll decide that nearer the time. So Anne is now, well, as of tomorrow morning, she'll be the proud owner of shares in two UK-based insurance companies. That's Aviva and Legal and General. So are you happy with that, Anne?
Yes.
Yes, she
happy.
is. Yeah. So as I say, Anne's on a bit of a learning curve, but she's getting into it now. So I think in time she'll be doing this herself. Well, we've discussed it beforehand, but sometimes it's a bit easier for me just to help her run through as we're doing this live. Until next time, I bid you a very good bye.